Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove echo from your audio in Audacity. If your recording sounds hollow or has that annoying echo, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have clean and professional sounding audio. So let's jump right in. First, open Audacity and either import your audio file or record a new one. For this tutorial, I'll quickly record an example. Once your sample is ready and you notice some echo in your recording, the first thing you need to do is highlight the section of the audio that contains the echo. Next, go to the Effect menu at the top, then choose Noise Removal and Repair and select Noise Reduction. Here, you'll see a button that says Get Noise Profile. Click on that. This tells Audacity what kind of noise it should remove. After that, double-click on your entire audio track to select all of it. Once again, go to Effect, Noise Removal and Repair, Noise Reduction. Now you can adjust the sensitivity and noise reduction level sliders according to how strong the echo is. Use the Preview button to listen to how the changes sound. Once you're satisfied with the results, click OK, and Audacity will remove the echo from your audio track. You should now have a much cleaner and clearer sound. And that's it. That's how you can quickly and easily remove echo in Audacity. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy audio editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.